what's up, TWs? Today we're back with cat and dog funny memes. Now let's get right to it. Okay, stop trying to make me fetch. Stop trying to make me fetch happen. It's not going to happen. That's so funny. Okay, next. OMG. DT. WTF. Okay, next. I'm going to Walmart. Need anything? That's how moms be doing. I'm going to Walmart, honey. Need anything? And then we'll be like, yeah, some Funyuns, please. Funyuns are my favorite kind of chips. Next. No. Oh my gosh, who did that to the Chihuahua? That literally looks like torture. Okay, are you bored? Draw eyebrows on your dog and laugh until his neck's bad. That is so mean.
WalmartMoneyCard.com/upload.
So mean. It's just so mean. Okay, let's just go. If you had to jump 3 times your body to get on top of a chair, would be lazy too. That's Duchess. Usually she jumps on mom's bed, but every time when I leave Chipotle on the table, and we come back from the store, then my Chipotle's gone. I see her munching. Okay, next. Okay. Begs you to throw toy. Puts up a fight when you try to take it. For real, that's what Queen does. You throw it, she takes it. She takes it and then she runs away.
Hello.
Okay. And then every time when we try to get it, we have to Queen, give me the toy. Give me the toy. If you don't know who Queen is, you're gonna see her because we're literally almost there to my grandma's house. Wow, perfect timing. Wow. So, there's my grandma's house. We're almost there. Yeah. Okay, next. Because this is just getting boring. Are you mocking me? That is so cute. I need those stuffed bears in my life. I do. I need Jesus in my life too. And because I feel like I'm being mocked. And plus, they're the same dog. So cute. Oh, you are mocking me. Are you mocking me? Are you mocking at me? Are you mocking me? Are you mocking me? Hey, Nanny.
I finally got your jacket over here.
My frozen one? My frozen one? This morning, Amy.
I couldn't go home. Oh.
The frozen jacket?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Does it have a girl on it?
No, it might be in there.
This is so cute. Yeah?
Yeah, the rest.
No, thank you.
Yes, thank you. You don't have to eat them all.
I'll just take one. I'll just take one.
It happened to my daughter. Right on our road. It can happen to you.
Yeah. This is cute.
Well, Christine, Jason, I'm so sorry to meet you under these circumstances.
This is so
I'm
cute.
sorry for your loss.
This, guys, is so cute.
You've been watching the show.
I gotta put some shorts on!
This is literally so cute. Hold up, wait a minute.
I'm walking out of the house
Frank!
to do the show.
Thank you, Nanny.
And take her home.
Oh, did she leave?
Yeah.
She only met one person on the internet. And that person ended her life. It only happened to her one time. You met how many? You know how lucky? Like really lucky.
You heard that right, boss. We slammed it.
You know, you've been given chance after chance after chance, because every single man or boy that you have met could have done it to you. You've survived how many times? What? My daughter didn't even survive one. Not even one. He knew how to lure her out of the house. You know what you say.
Thank you, Nanny.
That's what they're doing to you. She's got one time. When I reported her, they told me, Suzanne, it doesn't happen here. She'll be home tonight. It does not happen here. And it did. It can happen to you. And it will. You keep doing what you're doing, it will be you. It will be you right here. Your mother will be sitting right here. Do you want that for her? Do you want that for you? Because whatever I'm going through is nothing compared to what my child had to go through that night. The horror and the terror that she felt.
As low as $50 a week. Get fresh ingredients.
That's what you feel.
But it's just so cute. I really don't care.
What would you give to have been able, what would you give to have been able to say this?
Hey guys, check it out. Look at this new jacket. Ooh. I'll check it out. Ooh. I'm just playing. Okay, let's get to it.
You have to be careful.
Okay.
Okay? One thing for sure, especially nowadays, if anybody that's here on this show today or watching the show or whatever the case,
I already said thank you.
ask
This
yourself one question.
isn't reading wow.
Is that really the person
That's
you're
rough.
talking to? Who is it? Are you sure that's who you're talking
I
to?
get it, because you know how dogs be like, woof, woof.
It could be some convicted felon. We
Well-
don't know.
Bye, TWs.
And unfortunately,
Make sure to leave a comment and subscribe and like. Thank
It wasn't
you.
even